What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to be showing you guys a sneak peek of the brand new GoPro Hero 13 Black Limited Edition Forest Green. I already got it unpackaged. Here it is. It's interesting how the lighting in here is making it kind of look like rusty, which is kind of neat. You look right here. The top and the front of the lens, kind of giving this rusty vibe. I'm actually seeing that in person too, but I have it sitting here on a tripod, so that's what it looks like. I kind of dig the color difference. So the buttons, the shutter button and the power button, are the exact same color as the front fascia and the rear fascia of the camera. And then the center of the body where the Hero 13 Black logo is, which I dig the black instead of the blue. That's pretty cool. So this green section in the center is actually the same color as the lens. I think it was purposely done that way. I really like it. It's giving like classic vibes here, especially looking at it from a distance in this light. This on camera, it looks a little bit different in person. So this is actually more of a matte color. It's not this actual green. I don't know why it did that, but phone's got to make noises when I'm busy. So this is not what I'm seeing in person. It's actually more of a sage color, like a dark sage. Where the phone camera is actually making it look brighter green. But either way, it's really nice. I really like the design of it. So that's a plus in my opinion. And what I have over here is this is the Telesin Street Grip. And then the cage. I have two of these cages. I already had the cages. And then this one is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. That is actually black. And this one is a GoPro Hero 12. And these two were actually creator editions. So they came with the Tilta grips and stuff. But these, ironically, Tilta grip. GoPro has a charging grip that's called the Tilta grip. But, so these cages are actually made by a company called Tilta. And the GoPro Hero 6s I have are in cages similar to this, but they're made by Poland's Pro and a few other brands from back in the day. But this kit, it comes with a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. Comes with a slide buckle plate with the adhesive on the bottom, and it comes with a low profile quick buckle. And all of these are what I have. What I've been using is these Forever Cam buckles. You can actually turn them. So if you actually, thread this down, you can actually lift it and turn it. And these are actually made for motorcycle riders. They're actually metal. And then this is just a tensioning screw to put tension to force. When you push this screw down, it forces this whole buckle up, and it kind of binds against these plates here. And this is just the quick release buckle that I have attached to this guy right here. But yeah, just a kind of just a quick little video, just kind of wanting to give you guys some stuff that you may not have seen yet. I just put you guys on a tripod. And then this is something I haven't done a video on yet. So I do not want to open it yet. This is just kind of a little sneak peek on this little kit here. So I've had this kit sitting in a box for probably, I don't know, 8 months, a year now, maybe more. And I finally found it. I actually found the box, bathroom remodel. a couple of rooms in the house were remodeled, so everything kind of got shoved in the garage, and this was one of those things. So yeah, when I get this physically a video done for the YouTube channel, I will definitely open this for you guys, or it'll already be open, I should say that. And once I get the YouTube video done, this will already be out of the box, and we could take a look at it. But this is the HB Series lens collection kit. I pre-ordered it a while ago. So the ultra-wide lens mod, macro lens mod, anamorphic lens mod, and it comes with the ND filters, ND4, 8, 16, and a 32. It's kind of a complete kit, so that's pretty nice as well. This is the little paper cover that a lot of the GoPro stuff is coming in now. So there we go. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little sneak peek video for you guys. I did charge this camera up. I did install protective Gorilla Glass lenses on the front or the back as well as the front. And I also have a lens, a Gorilla Glass lens, protective lens on the actual lens itself. So you guys can see what I'm recording here on the phone. And then I turn it around and you guys could see me. Kind of hiding. There you go. I'm hiding behind the camera. But everything looks really good. I really like the GoPro Hero 13s. And to quickly grab this here, I'm going to quickly transition this guy. So we're going to pop this off, grab the quick buckle, pop the quick buckle off, and pop this camera in this cage. This is the street grip setup. First gotta pop this cover off. There we go. Expose that set. There we go. Now it has the street grip attached to it. Like so. So if you actually push this button down, it will actually push that pin, activate the shutter. It'll immediately turn the camera on. But now this is basically set up as a kind of an old school little digital camera. You know, quick fire. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good. I really like these Teslen cages. And these do allow the quick buckle here to be attached. Like so. There we go. So that's pretty awesome. And I'm going to pause it. I'm going to switch it to just the individual cage real quick. There we go. So we got the Teslen street grip removed, and we got it in just the standard Teslen cage. I will be probably ordering sometime next year. I'll probably be ordering another one of these black Tilta cages, specifically for this Hero 13 black limited edition forest green. Another variation of limited edition in the automotive world is LTD. So I'm just going to call it the LTD green edition. But I do hope the video was helpful, guys. I kind of just wanted to give a little sneak peek for you guys. I will try to leave links on the Amazon or the YouTube listing for the Amazon links for these guys when I post this on YouTube for you guys as a short. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.